Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at home and it is August 18th, which marks just a little bit over 2 weeks, actually less than 2 weeks until the start of school. And as you guys know, I go to Taft, which is a boarding school. So I thought as a little back to school thing, I'm going to be talking about what to pack for boarding school. So let's get started. So one of the most important things about boarding school is that you're living on campus, so you're sleeping in a bed. And sleeping in a bed comes with, you need duvet covers, you need pillowcases, you need comforters, you need mattress toppers, you need blanket, and maybe some more pillows if you want to. The mattress size at most boarding schools is a standard twin bed, which is 38 inches by 75 inches, but you should check your boarding school and what the size is. But normally it's the standard twin bed. And for me, I think one of the most life-saving tips is buying a mattress topper. It's such a good investment when you buy it the first year because it saves your back. Like the mattresses boarding schools provide are a little more standard. And if you want like more back support, more just support in general, a mattress topper is a great investment. Next is toiletries. So toiletries are also really important. I have 3 different cubbies or bags. So the first one is a cubby for shower goods like shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, shower gel, soap, a loofah maybe. And this cubby would be, I would put it in the public bathroom so that I could just bring it into the shower when I'm showering. And also remember to bring flip-flops because you don't know what goofy things are on the ground of the public bathrooms. Another bag I use is for brushing my teeth and face wash in the morning. So I would put this in my room and then bring it to the public bathroom every single morning and night to just do my skincare routine and yeah. And then another bag would be for lotion and skincare. So I have another bag just for like eye cream, lotion, all that good stuff. And I would also have like some hair products that are just like put in my room. I wouldn't have a bag for that because I would just put it on my desk or like my dresser. But also remember to bring towels. So towels for the face, towels for your hair, and towels for your body. I recommend getting like about 3 sets just so that you could like swap and when there comes a laundry day and you're really tired, you could use like another towel instead of just having to like repeat using one towel, which is not recommended. And next would be clothes. So clothes are a really big topic, especially at boarding school. It's a private school, so you would have dress code. I think the best way to explain bringing clothes to school is separating it into 3 tiers. First one is formal clothing. So these clothes are like dresses, like really nice dresses that you're going to wear to formal dinners. And also smart casual. So smart casual would be for the school day. You wouldn't want joggers, you wouldn't want jeans, and you wouldn't want t-shirts or just lounge clothing and sweats, stuff like that. And the third tier is just casual. This would be sweats, t-shirts, hoodies for after school time. So for Taft, from 8 to 3, you would want to wear smart casual stuff so that you wouldn't get dress coded. And after 3, it's extracurricular time. So whether you're in theater, you're in dance, you're in sports, you're allowed to wear lounge clothing and you wouldn't get dress coded. So this is the time to wear casual stuff. So smart casual and casual clothing are the 2 types of clothing that you'll be wearing every single day. So pack appropriately. I think for the first year, I brought about like 15 to 20 tops and 5 pair of pants and 5 pairs of shorts and just skirts. But I do think that you shouldn't bring too much clothing because your style is going to change quite drastically throughout the 4 years you're at school. So just bring like a little less than 20, I would say. A little less than 20 tops. But 5 pairs of pants and 5 shorts or skirts are good. So yeah. And dresses. So for girls, I think you would want to bring about like 5 dresses that you could swap around. And at Taft, we have sit-down dinners, and that's when all the girls would like wear dresses, like we would borrow each other's dresses, so you don't have to bring that many dresses, and you can have like a variety of dresses to wear. But that's a little Taft tradition. What comes with clothing is having a laundry basket. Laundry basket is pretty self-explanatory, and also clothing hangers. Hangers are the way to go. Just hang all your clothing and it's not gonna be wrinkly. So electronics. So extension cord is a must. I brought 2 extension cords my first year and it was amazing because you're gonna be having just like 1 or 2 outlets in your room and you don't want to just charge 2 things in your room and not have any outlets for your fan or like maybe heater. Normally they do have heaters in the room though at Taft. I'm not sure of other boarding schools, but yeah. And for international students, some of your electronics might be like different, the charging port things. So bring adapters too, if that is a problem. And lamp, it depends on your school. Personally, I suggest getting it when you're at school because, for instance, at Taft, we have like a built-in desk lamp and it's super bright. It's amazing. It's like great lighting for studying. So personally, I didn't feel the need to buy another lamp, but every school is different. So I suggest just getting your lamp at school. And then a fan is a must. In New England, at least in Watertown, Connecticut, it's gonna be pretty hot the first 2 weeks of school, and it's gonna be pretty hot the last month of school too. So you would want a fan because there are barely any air conditioners in the room. So you will want a fan to just have something to cool off at least. And Taft has built-in heaters for all the rooms, so it's not like a problem. But if your school doesn't have heaters, you might want to get one of those like portable heaters. And then storage bins for organizing. Storage bins are amazing, especially the foldable ones. Life-saving. Life-saving. And near the end of the school year, you're going to have to pack everything back into boxes. And you need these storage bins in order to kind of organize everything throughout the year so that you know, okay, all the snacks go in this storage bin, all the electronic stuff go in that storage bin. My winter clothes are in this storage bin. And then it just makes packing so much easier so that at the end of the year, you're not just like going around and crazy and everything is everywhere and you're just like, how the heck do I pack this? It gets pretty stressful when you're packing at the end of the year. All in all, just buy organizers for your stuff. Book organizers are also a great thing to bring because you're going to accumulate more books throughout the year and you want a way to organize them in order to be like, okay, these are for my chemistry class, these are for English, these are for math, all your different subjects. You want those organizers. And next, medicine. There are times when it's 2 a.m. in the morning and you have a stuffy nose, you can't sleep, but you don't want to wake up your dorm parent in the middle of the night saying like, oh, I have a stuffy nose. It's just not a great thing to do, you know? It's like a small problem that you can fix with over-the-counter medicine. So personally, I've found over-the-counter medicine really helpful in this scenario. But just bring a little just so that when you're not entirely sick, you just feel kind of unwell, you could get some over-the-counter medicine. But this does not mean that when you're not feeling well to not go to the health center. Go to the health center. Next, snacks. My favorite. Ramen. A must. But but not too much, because sometimes you just get really tired and you don't feel like going to the dining hall, and you can just eat your ramen in your room while studying. But don't eat ramen too much, because you need to get your veggies in, and you also need to be socializing with your friends in the dining hall. Socializing is so important for boarding school, especially when everybody comes from so many different places. There's so many stories for people to tell, for you to listen to, for you to learn from, and just go eat with your friends. Go eat with like a different person. Go sit at a different table and eat with someone new. But ramen is great occasionally, like once every 2 weeks. Yeah. And also try to bring a moderate amount of snacks when you go to school, like in September. Don't bring like the whole pantry from your home, because I think that you could just bring some snacks to school, and when you're there, if it's not enough, just order some more from Amazon, or you could go to your nearby Walgreens or nearby Target to buy some more snacks. Don't bring too much, because you don't want to end up with a lot of expired snacks, so don't bring too much. Okay. And then lastly, also my favorite thing to talk about, decorations. So decorations are, I think, a really important part of making your dorm room yours. For instance, at Taft, you can put wallpapers on the wall, but you just have to make sure that the things you stick on the wall come off and it's left as pristine as you found it, or else you get charged a fee, and you don't want to get charged a fee for wallpaper. And then you could also bring some mood lighting sometimes at the end of the day. You gotta chill after study hall, and just mood lighting is great for that. And also bring small things that remind you of home. So for me, I brought my bear, I brought one of my dog's toys to put in my corner. And then I also brought some pictures of my family and friends from home. And it's just a great way to make the space yours and make you feel more comfortable, because it's going to be your sanctuary for a whole year at like somewhere new, somewhere kind of foreign. So just remember to do that. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment down any questions you have, maybe some rules that I didn't really explain as well. Just comment down below, anything. And remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.